So, hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of the Almighty God. So, today I'll be giving out the question answers. This is class 6 video, and the subject is social studies and chapter 2, and our topic of the chapter is latitude and longitude. So, just move forward, and I hope that everybody will write the question answers. Next time we'll be looking the textbook and we'll be doing that, okay? So let's begin. Okay, without wasting our time, we will solve the question answers. So you can see here the big number A. Fill in the blanks. Okay, number one, the lines of latitude and longitude from a network of lines is called a grid. Okay, GRID, grid. Number two, you can see equators is the longest line at latitude. Number three, the earth has been divided into dash heat zones, that is 3 heat zones. Number 4, latitudes and longitudes are measured in degrees. And number 5, you can see the central meridian in India is 82 half degree towards the east side. Then the next page you will take. Okay, then you can see big number B, match the following A with column B. Number 1, you can check here, latitudes will be number B, that is imaginary line drawn from the east to west. Okay, longitudes you can check is the number A. Okay, that is imaginary line drawn from the north to south. Equator number D, that is 0 degree latitude. Okay, again once more I am repeating, you have to write in the straight way. Okay, so for this reason I am repeating, latitude will be number B, straight way you write. Okay, imaginary lines drawn from the east to west. Longitudes will number A, that is alphabetical A, imaginary line drawn from the north to south. Equator will be number D, 0 degree latitude. Prime meridian will be number C, 0 degree longitude. Time zones will be number E, 24. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, so for this there are 18 time zones in the world, that is false. Crossing the ideal from the east to west will add or gain a day, while crossing it from the west to east will subtract or lose a day. That is true. The time varies by 6 minutes for each longitude. False. The latitudes are full circles which keep decreasing in size as they move away from the equator towards the poles. Direct rays of the sun gives more heat than the slanting rays. That is true. Okay, so we'll see with the next one. Then you can see here there are many question answers you need to write. Yes, so don't get afraid, you can finish up, I know. So you can check here. So number 1, you see big number 1, what are the parallels of latitude? The imaginary horizontal lines drawn on earth from east to west are the lines of the latitude. All these lines run parallel to each other. This is why they are called the parallels of latitude. What are the meridians of longitude? The imaginary vertical lines drawn on the earth from north to south are called the lines of the longitude. They are also known as the meridian of the longitude. Name some important parallels of the latitude. Some important parallel of the latitudes are Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 half degree towards the north side. Arctic Circle, that is 66 half degree towards the north side. Then Tropic of Capricorn to 23 half degree towards the south side. Antarctic Circle 66 half degree towards the south side. Now you'll be thinking that sir has written in this way, I have to write in this way. If you want to write this and this together, you can. If you want to write this and this together, you can write. Okay, like number 1 you can give this one, number 2 you can give, number 3 you can give this one, number 4 you can give this one. If you want to change the number, then also you can change the number, no problem, but you 4 you write only. Okay, and don't change the degrees, you remember the degrees. Okay, you see why I have written this one, you see north south south, understood? For this reason I have written together. Why do you what do you understand by ist? Okay, in India the central meridian is 82 half degree East, which passes through the city of Allahabad. Its local time is known as the Indian Standard Time, that is IST. What is ideal? Ideal stands for International Dateline. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this all, and we will move forward to the next, that is you can see. Okay, we will move forward to the next. So next we can see the answer the questions in detail. Describe the three heat zones of the earth. The earth has been categorized in three heat zones and they are described below. Students, I have given that this time question answers very short. According to me, this is short only because last year it was long, but I have done it short for you. So you can see this one, torrid zone. It is the hottest zone of the earth which receives direct rays of the sun throughout the year. Temperature zone. The zones receive the slanting rays of the sun and therefore are neither too hot nor too cold. Frigid zone. This zone receive extremely slanting rays of the sun, are therefore very cold. Next we will see difference between the equator and the prime meridian. The equator is the longest latitude. It is the starting point and therefore it is considered as a 0 degree latitude. The most important line of the longitude is the prime meridian. It is considered as the starting point and therefore it is 0 degree longitude. Okay. Next we will see what is the significance of having standard time. So the local time of places that lie on the different meridians differ. It is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridians of a country as a standard time. For the countries are required to adopt the uniformity. Okay, because you see this answer you may get confused. What is the significance? What is the result of having the standard time? The standard time help us to go to the school at a correct time, attend the classes at the exact time. If there will be no correct timing, suppose I am taking coaching, those who are suppose I am saying, for example, I'm sitting in Assam and I'm taking coaching. I'm reading tuition from the teacher, those who in Delhi. Okay, so the Delhi timing and the this timing will be different, so it will be problem in the same country. So you see my routine with the Delhi teacher may match because it is given out 9 o'clock, means 9 o'clock I have to open my laptop and I can attend the classes with the Zoom or Google Meet. I can attend the classes. So it is required to maintain the uniformity, means everything should be equal. For the equality only we are maintaining the standard time. So in the very simple I have written, it is not so much complicated, so don't get confused. So is ideal a straight line? Why or why not? No, ideal is not a straight line. To avoid confusion in a country with two different dates and days, it is made as a zigzag lines that keeps the island groups on either side by the line. Now number 5 is that these calculations are there. So calculate the time of 30 degree towards the east side and 30 degree towards the west side longitude if it is noon, 12 noon at Greenwich. The time difference, if you say between the 0 degree and the 30 degree, is 30 into 4. If you do, then it will get 3 4s are 12 and 12 0 will come here, right? So 120 minutes or 2 hours you can say. So this 120 minutes divided by, if you say 6, it will be nearly 2, right? So 60 minutes if you divide, then you will get 2 hours. So 60 plus is equal to 120, right? So thus at the 30 degree towards the east, the time will be 2 p.m. 12 plus 2, you see 12 plus 2. Okay, on the other hand 30 degree towards the west will be 10, 12 minus 2. So you got the answer of this question. I hope that you understood the explanation of this question answers, and please attend the live classes, and there also I have given many question answers. The students those who did attended the live classes, for them it will be easy because during the live classes also I was giving the question answers and filling the blanks, all the thing. If you have doubt or something, you can call me and you can ask me, and you can ask in the live classes also. You can check that all the things I have already given. Just for the revision I am putting it in the serial way. So I know that you will be writing in your copy, and when the school will open, I want that everybody should write the fill in the blanks and all match the following the straight way, true and false. Okay, question answers and everything you have to write. So maintain the copy, study properly. Till then that, take care, thank you, bye bye, we'll meet in the live classes. Okay.